So this might be a good thing to keep, to resell. The door doesn't function very well, so that's broken, but the actual cover is quite useful. I'll put that aside. Then we have the USB port, not the USB ports, they don't have USB ports, but the controller ports. This is also, I guess, resellable. Let's see if there's any gold. I know the cable here, not sure if there you go. So the cable here has some gold. Let's open it up, take out the two little screws here, see what's in here. Oh, screwdriver. There you go. Let's see what's on the other side of that board. See if there's anything interesting. I doubt it, because these were, when they were made very simple. So I'd be surprised if there's much value other than being a green board or anything like that. So you can see not much of anything. There's a little switch here, so there might be some silver in there. Obviously the gold on the tip of the cable, and I don't think I can show you it, but inside here I can see gold in here, so that might be valuable for someone scrapping this. Let's put